Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vapav. So today we will be going to talk about the sharing rules in Salesforce. What are these sharing rules and how, based on these sharing rules, how the records are being shared to the another user unless he has the access or that particular access of that field, that record is provided to that user or not. Okay, so let me just tell you about the small introduction first about what is this sharing rules. So I have written over there the in Salesforce sharing rules are mechanism used to extend the record level access to user or groups beyond the organization wide defaults and role hierarchies. You see, they are saying it's a mechanism to extend the record level access to a user or group beyond the organization wide defaults and role hierarchy. Whatever the access level you have provided over to any user in the org, so this sharing rule will definitely override that particular access and provides the crude operation whatever you have given, either read or read access you can give. So based on that, user will be able to take the action on that record. So uh, next is sharing rules enables administrator to selectively grant access to record based on the specific criteria or condition, ensuring that the users have appropriate level of access to that to the data they need to perform their functions. So basically how these sharing rules works, these sharing rules are the based on two conditions. First is owner based and second is criteria based. So what is this owner based? Like uh, that particular role of user will be able to see all the record that is owned by that particular role in the org. Or you can also share with the roles and subordinates, or public groups. We can select the public group. So basically what I'm saying, that if you are selecting that particular roles and subordinates are able to access the records of that particular roles and subordinates records which are owned by these uh, let me just show you in my org. I will show you. So owner based sharing is like that, and second is criteria based. Criteria, like we can set the criteria to that particular record, that this particular comes under that criteria, then this user will be able to see that record or take any action like read or read write. Okay, so let's go to org. Let me just show you how these sharing rules can be created, or what are those two things, criteria and owner based. Just open. Okay. So for this, I have created one user in my org, in which I have given a private access to accounts object to that user. Let me just show you. Sharing settings. So first of all we need to restrict the the access of that particular object in the org. Then we can gradually give the permission to different user or different profiles of user. So accounts and contacts are set as a private, and I have created one user Khushbu Sharma, and I have created one more profile for just for the demo purpose, no access. And in that profile, if I show you, this user doesn't have any access to the account records. So I have opened also, so you can see this is the user Khushbu. And if I refresh this page, that you see no accounts are visible to Khushbu if I click on the all accounts. So let's just create one sharing rule to demonstrate this. So first of all, we need to go to the sharing settings, and just to create the sharing rules, we can go to the settings, go down, and each object you will find in your org, each object is listed here in the sharing rules. So we go to the accounts sharing rules, new. So let's select share free accounts label based on the record owner and based on the criteria. So let me just tell you here, based on what is this, based on the record owner. So it is telling select which records to be shared. So let's say we can select public groups, roles and internal subordinates, roles and internal and portal subordinates. So what I'm saying, that we will be going to share the roles account owned by members of roles, CEO. So CEO's records will be shared by COO. So this is the owner based based on the record owner. So this is the one condition. So what we are doing here, the roles those particular users record of account where that particular user is having role CEO will be visible to that user who are having role COO. And what permission I am giving, read only. Okay, let's set read only, save. So for the demo purpose, I have set my role as a CEO, and for this user Vaibhav, let me just show you. You see my role is CEO, and if I show you COO. So CEO, whatever the records, account records are, as are having CEO role will be visible to the roles of user COO. So let me just go there in the Khushbu's account, and once I refresh this page, accounts will be visible. Yes, okay. You see all the accounts are visible. All of the accounts are visible. Uh, and let me just show. We have 12 records over there, and this is okay. So this account is not shared because the owner is different, the account owner is different. And who is the account owner? Let me just show you. Automated process is the account owner for this record, so that is why this record is not shared. Okay, so let me just show you now with the criteria based. So let's go to the account sharing rule, suitable sharing things. So let's add it this. Okay, it's not allowing because it's read only. We will not be able to make any change in the record. Let's go to the Khushbu's account and let's change this. Let's change this. Yeah, oops, you don't have necessary privileges to edit this record. Okay, that's completely fine. So we cannot edit this rule. We need to delete this, and once we check with the Khushbu's account again, the all of these accounts records will not be listed. Okay, these accounts are not listed again. Let's create one. So it is taking some time, Mhm. Let's create one more rule. Share few accounts again. Let's select based on the criteria, and this time I will be selecting what I need to select. Let's see, rating should be gold, or let's say customer priority and SLA. Okay, based on the customer priority and SLA, customer priority is equals to high, and SLA equals to gold. To share with the rules of COO. So Khushbu is having this role. Let's create read and write this time. Let's save this rule, and let's check we have any data like that or not. I think we have. Okay, this is select ID where SLA is gold and customer ID is high. Okay, we have one record only. So let's go to the Khushbu's account and refresh. You see, only one record will be shared to Khushbu, and we have given read and write permission this time. So let's try changing this. Okay, let's change the city. Let's change Delhi. Okay, Delhi. It's changed. Delhi. Yeah, it's saved. So, guys, I think hope you understand correctly what I have shown you over there in my org. So, if you have any question, you can comment me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.